Okay, please, one of you start the prayer.
I have written everything. I will try. Vakratunda Mahakaya, Surya Kotisamaprabha, Nirvignam Kurume Deva, Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada.
Little more louder, huh? You are very...
Namastobhyam Varade Kamarubini, Vidyarambam Karishami, Siddhar Bhavadame Sadam, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha, Gurareva Gati, Gurameva Vaje, Guru Naiva Vasahasmi, Namo Gurave, Naguru Paramam Shishirasmi Guroho, Matirasti Gurau, Mama Pahi Gurau, Pathami Samskritam Nityam, Dadami Samskritam Sada, Yayami Samskritam Samya, Vande Samskritam Mataram, Samskritasya Prasaraya, Naijam Sarve Dadamiham, Samskritasya Sada Bhavado, Vande Samskritam Mataram, Samskritasya Krite Jivan, Samskritasya Krite Jajan, Atmanam Mahutam Manne, Vande Samskritamataram, Vande Samskritamataram, Samskritam Sevamate, Yenaksharasamaamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat, Krishnam Vyakaranam Proktam, Tasmai Paninaye Namaha, Yena Dauta Girah Pumsam, Vimalai Shabdavaribihi, Tamasjnanajam Bhinnam,
Tamasjnanajam Bhinnam,
Tamasjnanajam Bhinnam, Tasmai Paninaye Namaha, Ajnanandasya Slokasya, Jnananjanashalakaya, चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ शान्ति
Om Sahana Bhavatu, Sahano Bhunaktu, Sahavidyam Karavavahai, Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. अद्य अहं किं करोमि इति सन्धिविषये इतोपि त्रीणि तिस्रः सन्धयः सन्ति अद्य सर्वं समाप्तुं प्रयत्नं करोमि चत्वसन्धिः पूर्वसवर्णसन्धिः अनन्तरं लत्वसन्धिः इति तदेव करोमि दृश्यते न दृश्यते न
आम्
पुनरावलोकनं न कुर्मः दृश्यते न चत्वसन्धिः चित्रा महोदय भवती पठतु
नमस्कारः महोदय चत्वसन्धिः पदान्ते स्थितात् तत् वर्गीय तद्वर्गीय प्रथम व्यञ्जनात् परस्य शकारस्य चकारो विकल्पेन आदेशो भवति यदि शकारात् परे स्वराः
पदान्ते स्थितात् तद्वर्गीय प्रथम व्यञ्जनात् परस्य शकारस्य चकारः विकल्पेन आदेशो भवति यदि शकारात् परे स्वरः भवति चेत् तदेव न एकनिमिषम् I will try to shifting that photo is a big every time I don't get it. अत्र पश्यतु उदाहरणं किं दत्तमस्ति पठतु चित्रा महोदय
उदाहरणं वाक् प्लस् क्षरः समानं वाक्क्षरः अथवा वाक्क्षरः
अत्र पश्यतु वाक् व क इति कुवर्गस्य प्रथमः व्यञ्जनः अस्तु वा अनन्तरं शरः इति भवति श इति परवर्णं भवति तस्मिन् समये किं भवति वाक्क्षरः श वर्णस्य स्थाने छकारः आगच्छति अथवा वाक्क्षरः इत्येव भवति विकल्पेन भवति अत्र आदेशः आगमः न अतः आदेशः इत्युक्ते शरः गच्छति तस्य स्थाने छ गच्छति तस्य स्थाने श गच्छति तस्य स्थाने छ आगच्छति अस्तु वा आगम and adesha by now you must know the difference gamudagama we saw that one new letter comes there gamudagama sandhi we saw the tugagama gamudagama tatra sarvam आगमः भवति पूर्ववर्णानि एव अपि तिष्ठन्ति नवम वर्णम् एकम् आगच्छति परन्तु आदेशे पूर्ववर्णस्य स्थाने नूतनवर्णः आगच्छति अस्तु नूतनं वर्णम् आगच्छति तदेव सो अत्र विकल्पेन भवति च इति आगच्छति इति कारणेन सन्धेः नाम छत्व by now you would have seen every sandhi depending on what the adesha or agama is the name is given like that jashtva shutva shtutva everywhere whatever the adesha or agama is based on that the name is given atra adeshah chakarah bhavati atah sandhehe nama chatva sandhi iti bhavati astu va
Mahodaya, what is the yara lava mana ityete yara lava mana ityete varnaha bhavanti what is that
किमपि दत्तमस्ति वा मया न स्वराः all this see मध्ये shakarat anantaram this is the condition that has to be filled either the shakara is followed by a swara or it is followed by all this yara lava mana astu va so these are that condition has to be fulfilled idanim bhavati padatu Sushila Mahodaya
पदान्ते अधिकं शकार अधिकं स्वरः च आदेश उदाहरणानि तत् श्लोकेन त प्लस इत् प्लस इश् प्लस इल् प्लस ओकेन
See, atra pashyatu. See, in these three this thing they are given in three different colors. All these three conditions have to be met. Padante vargiya pratama vanjanam bhavitavyam paravarna pratama varna shakaraha bhavitavyam anantaram swaraha atava yara lava teshu ekam kimapi bhavitavyam all these three conditions have to be met. And then you
Okay.
get chakarasya agamaha tatra.
Ta plus it plus ich plus il plus okena. Tat shlokena. That means instead of sha, cha. Tat shlokena. Tat shlokena.
Then here the shutvam bhavati. Takaram followed by shakaram. Shutvam we have studied, no? So that tad bhavati. Actually, there is a table. See, sometimes one after other, many sandhi karyams happen. In that case, there is an order in which the sandhis have to be done. There is a table that I am trying to make a slide out of it. I will try to make it and put it and teach it to you. Otherwise, I will make the slide and put it in the thing. Add the classroom, this thing. You can refer to it later. Actually, now we are supposed to finish 40 classes. Today is the 38th class. So actually by end of April, we are supposed to finish. I'll go on till 2nd May. So after that, depending on how my health is and about my surgery and all that, I'll try to take some extra class because I want to teach a little more on Sandhi. But that all depends on how it is. But at least these Sandhis I will finish. And by the time, if I'm not able to make the slides, I will make them at my own time and then I will put it in the group. Anantaram, if I get the time, if my thing is all okay, I will take more classes because Narayan Mahodaya said by April end you have to finish. I mean, luckily we are finishing the 40 classes. That is the 40 sessions is what was given to us. So today I'm in the 38th session. So another 2 more we will finish by 2nd May. Okay? You now you told Sushila Mahodaya Bhavati Vadatu Anantaram Ekam Swikrite Vadatu.
Touch plus Shiva. Ta plus ich plus ish plus baha. Then ta plus it plus instead of sha, instead of sha, it will be cha. So Tat Shiva.
Tat Shiva.
Then
because that Vakara is one amongst the conditions, isn't it? It fulfills that condition. So Atra Pashitu.
Shiva will also become Tat Shiva will become Tat Shiva. Then it will become Chutva Sandhi also.
Tutvam Sattvam. Tat Shiva, Tat Shiva.
Tat Shiva will become Tat
Chutvam Chattvam. अस्तु वा अनन्तरं वीणा महोदय भवती वदतु
चलच् अधिकं शुकः it will become chalachukah only.
Chalachukah, chalachukah, chutvam chatvam.
Chalachukah.
अस्तु वा चित्रा महोदय भवती वदतु
वित् प्लस शङ्करः वित् शङ्करः शङ्करः
वित् शङ्करः अथवा वित् शङ्करः सुशीला महोदय भवती वदतु दृश्यते वा
मश्रू
एकनिमिषं मया न दृश्यते तत्र because of this photo.
As in the computer it has come on top, so there is no issue.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Anantaram अस्मिन् अनन्तरं तत्र सन्धिं करोतु इदानीं वीणा महोदय भवती वदतु
मधुलिट् शेते मधुलिट् शेते मधुलिट् शेते
मधुलिट् शेते शेते Chakara.
Chakara will become chakara. Madulit chete.
Chitra Mohodaya.
Tach Shnapat Pratyaya.
Pratyaya.
Tach Shna Pratyaya or Tach Shrapatyaya.
Tach Shna Pratyaya. Tach Shna Pratyaya.
What does this mean, Mahodaya?
That I do not know. Shna is on Pratyaya. Shna Vikarana Pratyaya bhavati. Lakareshu. Shna in one particular some gana, that is a Vikarana Pratyaya. That Shna Vikarana iti Pratyaya. Tadeva bhavati iti aham manye.
Mahodaya, my understanding is correct or not? Just to you tell me. Paravarna Shakaraha Bhavate, that is Chatva Sandhi.
That is Shakara. No, the three conditions. Three conditions have to be fulfilled. All the three conditions have. 1 minute. So the three conditions I told you, no? All the three have to be fulfilled. See, actually when Takara is the Purva Varna, the Takara anta padam bhavati chet, then that Shakara, then that Shuttu Sandhi also happens. That is only for Takara. Whereas in Chatva Sandhi, the Purva Varna has to be any one of the first Varna of the first letter. Okay? Either it can be Ka, it can be Cha, it can be Ta, Artha, Arpa. Anantaram, Paravarnaha Shakaraha. So in Chutva Sandhi also Paravarnaha is Shakaraha. But you have another third condition. Swaraha. Swaraha and that Yarala. That has to be there. Ataha. Idanim.
Mahodaya, I didn't understand what you said about Shutva Sandhi. What did you say? I didn't understand.
Shutva Sandhi is Takara followed by Shakara. Only Takara. Chatva Sandhi is any of the first letters. So this combination, this one, you get the Chatva and Shutva Sandhi. Tadeva. See, the Paravarna Shakara bhavati chet, Shutva Sandhi, that will happen. But here you have one more condition to be fulfilled. Three conditions.
Okay.
Purva Varna, Paravarna, two. Paravarna, it has got two conditions. Astu va? Idanim Sushila Mohodaya bhavati vadati.
Chutva, that Purva Varna Sakara bhavati chet, that is Chutva Sandhi, no Mahodaya. Purva Varna Antima Aksharam Sakaraha bhavati.
No. See, in Shutva Sandhi, it is both ways. It is just a combination. Shutva and Shtutva, there is no Purva Varna and Paravarna. It is combination. Shutva and Shtutva, you must remember that. It could be the Purva Varna or Paravarna. It is just Takara and Shakara coming together. Or Shakara can be the Purva Varna and Takara can be the Paravarna also. Astu va?
So in this only
it is a combination. They have to come together. That is only for Shutva and Shutva. You must, it is both ways. You have the arrow like this. You remember when we did that?
Yes.
Yeah.
But
So
in
that
this
you remember. It is not necessarily that takara has to be the purva varna. It could be the either way. It could be purva varna or paravarna.
But in this Chatva Sandhi, the Shakara will be only on the Paravarna and not on...
Yeah, paravarna. In this Chatva Sandhi, and also the first purva varna has to be the first letter of the
Shakara.
any of the first letters. Whereas in Chutva Sandhi, one side is only Tavarga and Sakara. On one side you have Tavarga and Sakara. On the other side you have
Shakara and Takara.
Chakara and Chavarga. So again, this combination also will get Chutva. See,
that's what
so
this
this two, Takara and Chakara, because whereas in Chutva Sandhi, it could be either way. The Chakara could be the Paravarna, Chakara could be the Purva Varna, Takara could be the Paravarna, or Takara could be the Purva Varna. Whereas here, all this Takara, Chakara, Takara, everything that has to be the Purva Varna. Then in the Paravarna, you have two conditions have to be met. Astu va?
Mahodiye, in this one, it is a Paravarna which is changing. No? In all the other Sandhis, it is the Purva Varna which changes. Is it like that? Here it is a Paravarna that is undergoing a change.
Yes, this
in this Chatva Sandhi,
that Shakara, the
the second
Paravarna,
word, Paravarna is undergoing change.
The middle Varna you can say, because there are three, one Purva Varna, one in Paravarna you have two, so you can say that out of the three, the middle one
is changing.
Undergoes the change. I mean, you just put some such this thing in your mind so that you remember.
And it is optional. If we want, we can write Vikalpena.
Vikalpena. Sushila Mahodaya Bhavati Vadatu.
Tat Shlaghanam. Here also Shtutva also happens, right?
See, this second and third, because that is the combination in Shtutva also. Chakara and this thing. So,
but I think Chakara and Shakara cannot make Shtutva, no. For Cha, it has...
Correct. Chakara and Shakara is one side. Takara and Sakara on one side. Chakara and Shakara on one side. Correct.
And so also, Sha plus Sha does not make...
Ta and Sa.
Yes.
So it is Sto, Stuna, Schuna, Schuhu. It is. Stoho means Sakara and Tavarga. Then Schuna, Shakara and Chavarga. Then Adeshaha, Shakara and Chavarga. Astu va? See, Chatva Sandhi Padante Stita Tat Vargiya Pratama Vyanjanat Parasya Shakarasya Sthane Chakaraha Adeshaha Vikalpena Bhavati Yadi Shakarat Pare Swaraha Yabaralamana Ityete Varnaha Bhavanti. So, you have the three, all the three conditions have to be met. That is important.
And Mahodi, in this one,
we are able to understand this part, but when it comes to the next Shtutva Sandhi or Chutva Sandhi, that is where we are not able to, I was not able to understand properly whether this will have a next Sandhi or not.
So, here it is the same, Madulit Shete.
Takara only, so that's no issue. When it is Ta and Takara, so even the
one minute. So there, here, the rest of it is the same. Only here also there is no change. Touch. Sna pratyaya. That touch. See, because it is written together, so this mark is not there. Astu va? Touch. Half cha is written.
Yes.
Only here you get this. Touch laghanam. Touch laghanam. Touch.
Yeah. Here it has become touch. Takara has
Touch.
become takara.
Because chutva happened.
So if it had been touch.
Veena.
No, touch. Tat.
Veena Mahodaya. Veena Mahodaya, bhavati vadatu.
Mrich plus shakatikam. Mrich shakatikam. Mrich
shakatikam. Mrich shakatikam. So this is the same. Only thing it is written together. So you write the half.
Yeah.
That mrich, that cha, everywhere. That cha, and all. Chitra Mahodeva bhavati vadatu.
Vidvach Shraddha. Vidvach Shraddha. Vidvach Shraddha.
Vidvach Shraddha. Vidvach Shraddha. Touch. Sushila Mahodaya.
Touch smashanam.
Touch shmashanam. Touch shmashanam.
So,
Veena Mahodaya.
So even if you write this,
I can't hear you.
Mahodaya, I'm saying. I am saying, can you hear me now?
Now I can hear you. Because many times your voice goes down, even during prayer. It was very low. I couldn't.
Okay, I think I'll add a speaker this time. What I was saying is, even if we are given this word and then instead of writing the first one, if we write the touch smashanam, that is also right.
But you have to, Vikalpena Bhavati means you have to show it, no? You have to show both.
Okay.
See, only then you will know, they will know that you have understood Chattva Sandhi.
Okay.
Vikalpena Bhavati says you have to write like this. Slash. You can't, what Sandhi means, you can't just write one and get away with it. You have to write both. Veena Mahodaya, Bhavati Padu.
Dhavat plus Shashaha. Dhavat Chachaha. Dhavat Chashaha.
Dhavat Shashaha. Anantaram kimapi asti va?
Dhavat Shashaha.
Na Anantaram, next eighth one.
Chitra.
Yes.
Kim? Patatu. I can't say it. Chitra Mahodaya Bhavati Patatu. Mute madhya.
Etach shvastanam. Etach shvastanam. Etach shvastanam.
So you can read, you can see that, no? Because I can't see.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see.
This also has no meaning, Mahodaya, just like the etach shvasanam.
I do not know. Etach shvastanam. I do not know. I mean, I don't know the meaning. Okay. But at least you. Anantaram kimapi asti va?
There is one more.
Patatu.
Mine.
Patatu.
Nashya shastram. Nashya shastram. Nashya shastram. Nashya shastram.
Nashyat shastram. Okay.
So there is.
They've just given some words. I think they've just given just for the combination of it. I think. I mean, it could be some meaning is there. Unfortunately, I do not know. Okay, at least you know how the sandhi happens. Okay. Sandhi vichedam karotu. Idanim Veena Mahodaya Bhavati vadatu.
Vishwa Rat Chasti. Vishwa Rat Chasti. Vishwa Rat Adhikam Shasti.
Ishwarat Shasti. That is the king of the whole land, Vishwa. rules. Shasti means rule. Shasanam. Chitra Mahodaya,
Is
Bhavati
it
Vadatu.
Vishwa only or Vishwa? It's given Vishwarat.
Actually, I think it should be Vishwarat. Vishwarat. Vishwasya Rat. Vishwarat, I think it is not Vishwarat. Make a note of it. I will look at, I don't know when I'll find time to do all that.
Abhavat Chamashanam.
You read it properly.
Abhavat Chama.
No, the cha, it is not full. Abhavat Shmashanam. The cha is not full. That this thing is not there. No. Abhavat Shmashanam. Then Vichedam karo.
Okay. Cha. It is there. It is there.
No. See, if it is half sha, that will become half cha. See, atra pashyatu, shasti iti asti. Ataha atra chasti iti agachyati. Parantu, atra smashanam iti bhavati. Ish.
Okay. Okay.
So, atra shmashanam iti bhavati.
Okay.
See, atra, you understood, no? Here the word is shasti. So, it is shasti. But here, so it has to be abhavat shmashanam.
Smashanam. Okay.
See, this is ish. Then
Ish. Okay. Got it.
Okay. Abhavat.
Tasmat Shastram. Tasmat Shastram. It is Tasmat Shastram, then it is Tasmat Shastram.
Actually, atra pashyatu, this tasmat. 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 I think from
here the shukla has happened.
See, this is tasmat iti dattam. Tasmat shastram. This is tasmat shastram. So, this tasmat, this sha has become cha, but this ta also
has become chakara because of that shutva.
But shutva katam bhavati. Yes.
Chakara becomes
tasmat shastram. Actually, in that case,
So in the previous case also it should have been like that, right?
Yeah, it should be shown. That's what. Abhavat smashanam, abhavat smashanam. Like how there you have to write both.
Yeah. There we did not do that. That is why chakara did not become takara there.
Veena Mahodaya.
Tachata patram. It is tat shatapatram. Tat plus shatapatram.
So why it is only cha now here?
That is what I'm I think they have not fully given it correct. That's shatapatram. We must again look at more such. I will try to look at more such examples. Chitra Mahodaya, because that should also become tat shat. So tasmat shastram should tat shatapatram, which started as tat shatapatram. Like here, tasmat shastram, which started as tasmat shastram. So tasmat shastram will be the first one, then tasmat shastram, tasmat shastram, and then tasmat shastram. So in between that could. So this is the in between one. That shatapatram is what it started with. Astuva?
So then when we write, it has to be Tat Shatapatram, then it has to be
that
Tat
also.
Shatapatram.
See, this is the final sandhi. So you have to go in the reverse. So you have to show this first, and then you have to show it's as the last. In the reverse when you go. Okay.
So there are two sandhis happening. Chatva
Yeah. Happen. Yeah.
Okay.
Chitra Mahoday, bhavati vadatu.
Etat chatroho. This also two no. Etat chatroho. Etat.
There, here also, here they have given only etat chatroho. Sushila Mahoday.
Va and he. It will va can he.
Sorry.
Here there is nothing happening.
I'm not. Chitra Mahoday, Veena Mahoday, bhavati vadatu.
Shat Chayaha will be Shat Shayaha.
Shat Shayaha. Shat Shayaha. Chitra Mahoday, किमपि अस्ति वा अत्र 8th one? न किमपि नास्ति तत्र.
आम् अस्ति महोदय अस्ति.
सम्राट्
Srinivasah. Samrat Srinivasah.
Okay. I mean, you people check because I'm not able to see.
Yes.
Ito anantaram kimapi asti va?
No.
Mahat Chatakam. Mahat Chatakam is it?
Okay.
No sound, Sushila Mahoday.
I can't. You can't hear you again.
Yeah, very.
Okay. Chakatam.
You please check because I'm not able to check.
Yeah, it is Mahat. Now again here only they have given Chakara. Then it has to become Takara. That is not given.
Okay. So this finishes Chattva Sandhi. Now I'll go to the next slide because if I go on doing all this, that Sandhi gets left out. So I'll go to the next slide. 1 minute. Purva Savarna Sandhi. Sorry. दृश्यते न? This is Chattva Sandhi recap. Purva Savarna Sandhi. Abhi, whose turn it is now? Please read.
I finished.
Okay. Veena.
Okay. Purva Savarna Sandhi. Yada Purva Varnaha Varga Tritiyah Jash Bhavati Api cha Paravarnaha Hakaraha Asti. Tada Hakaraha Asti. Tada Akarasya Tattadvargiya Chaturtha Vyanjanam Vikalpena Adeshaha Bhavati.
Atra api pashyatu. The two conditions. Purva Varnaha Jash Bhavitavyam. That is Varga Tritiyeha Bhavitavyam. Paravarnaha Hakaraha eva. Only Hakara. Astu va? Hakaraha. Then Adeshaha Vikalpena Tattadvargiyasya Chaturtha Vyanjanam Adeshaha Bhavati. Astu va? So then we'll see one example.
Udaharana. Vanig plus Hasati. Vanig Ghasati.
अत्र पश्यतु वणिग् वणिग् तदेव अस्ति दट् हकारः becomes वर्ग
चतुर्थव्यञ्जनं
विकल्पेन. So you either get vanig ghasati or vanig ghasati. This is very simple. So you just have to पूर्ववर्णः has to be the varga tritiya, paravarnah has to be hakara, adeshah varga chaturtha. Hakarasya sthane varga chaturtha vyanjanam adeshah bhavati. Very easy. Okay. अत्र पश्यतु चित्रा महोदय भवती पठतु.
पूर्वसवर्णसन्धिः कोष्टकं पूर्ववर्णः जश् परवर्णः and सन्धिकार्यम् आदेशः समानं घ ञ ज ड द भ गदब पूर्ववर्णः जश् ग ज ड द ब अधिकं हकारः समानं ग ज ड द भ.
अस्तु वा? किं दत्तमस्ति? I can't see. In the first line, what is given?
जश् ब्राकेट् गज ड द ब अधिकं हकार समानं गज ड द ब
अधिकं हकार
हकार
हकार and आदेशः
गज ड द ब. उदाहरणानि
ओके भवती वदतु.
जगद् हितं
जगद् हितं किं भवति तत्?
जगद् हकार
हकारस्य स्थाने तस्य वर्गस्य चतुर्थवर्णः आदेशः भवति. तकारस्य चतुर्थवर्णः किम्?
ध
महाप्राण ध
जगत्.
सो तत्र पश्यतु प्रथमं जस्तुं भवति जगद् हितं. See why they have given jagat is the pratibha, that is the thing, jagat hitam. But only when it becomes jastva, only when you get the tritiya vyanjanam, only then this sandhi will happen. So you have to make the jastvam and then make this. So it will be either jastvam, it can stop at jastvam or it can become this. Purva Savarna. Astu va? So this Jagat Hit.
So we have to do Jagat Hitam.
So because that condition is not fulfilled, no? Jagat Ta is not the Tritiya Vyanjana, isn't it? Of the Varga. So that has to become the Tritiya Vyanjanam only by Jastvam. That will become Tritiya Vyanjanam only by Jastvam. Once it becomes by Jastvam, it becomes Tritiya Vyanjanam. Then it lends itself for this sandhi. So that condition will be fulfilled. Once this is fulfilled, then this sandhi can happen. And it is vikalpena. So it can be jastum. It can stop at jastum or it can become this. Sushila Mahodaya, bhavati vadatu.
Shadhaya.
Shadhaya. Here that condition is already fulfilled. Because Dakara is the Tritiya Vanjanam. Astu va? Ataha Shadhayaha. And this is first. Actually, this is. Actually, that is also I think shash only it will be. You remember sha only becomes a da. in Justvam also.
Yes. Shakara becomes Shakara becomes Shakara.
Of course,
So
ta also becomes ta, but sha also becomes da. Actually, that it is shash only. Shadananaha. You remember?
Yes.
You remember that, no?
Yes.
So anyway, it's okay.
We have
So this is, but here Shadhayaha is given. But this is Shashhaya. Even if Shashhayaha would be Shadhayaha. And then you get this. Shadhayaha. Huh?
But
Got it?
Mahodaya, here it could be Shashhayaha or Shashhayaha.
Huh?
I said if it is Shashhayaha, then also the Dakara will come because of the Tritiya.
That will come. Shathaya also with the Dakara will come.
Shash will also come.
But Shash is the original this thing.
Word. Okay.
Pratipadikam, that is why. Only for that Shash I am saying. Okay? Veena Mahodaya.
Tat plus hitam. Tad will become tad. That's the third one. Then it becomes chaturthi, that is tad hitam. Tad hitam.
Tad hitam, Justvam and tad hitam. The Mahaprana dha will come. So first you have to convert this to Justvam.
Okay.
So that you get the third letter here. So that is the condition, no? Third letter plus Hakara combination.
Okay.
Once it happens, you get this. So, Chitra Mahodaya.
You're on
Padat himam. First is padat himam. Then padad dhimam.
Patadhimam. 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 Then Sushila Mahodaya, Bhavati Patatu.
Sandhi karotu. Asmadhitaya. Asmadhitaya.
Asmadhitaya. Atra. You have this Alpa Prana Dakara, Alpa Prana Dhakara. Here Asmadhitaya.
Alpa Prana as well as the
Mahaprana. Here Alpa Prana, Mahaprana, both are there.
Yeah.
This is Mahaprana Dha. This is Alpa Prana Dha. Asmadhitaya, Asmadhitaya. Asmadhitaya. So that dha you have to say
forcefully.
Mahaprana correctly. Otherwise, Asmadhitaya you can't say. You have to say Asmadhitaya. That the Alpa Prana dha also has to be heard and the Mahaprana dha also has to be heard. Astuva? Suppose orally somebody is asking you at that time. Veena Mahodaya.
Mat plus haraha. It will become mad plus haraha. Madharaha.
Madhara.
Or madhara.
Actually, here they should have given madhara only.
But what is that? But the actual word is madharaha or madhara? Actual word is
madharaha. But first Jaswam happens. Madharaha. See, Jaswam is all the 4 Vyanjanas of each Varga followed by anything, isn't it? So, Jaswam happens. So, when they are giving here, they should have given Madharaha. Dakara only they should have given.
Because it's already not, no, but here.
Understood? Understood? See, when you write here, you should write only the Dakara. You can't write Madhara.
After the Jashtvam only we have to write.
So, that will only give rise to this, no? So, optionally it becomes. So, when optionally it becomes, then that Madharaha only has to come. You should give. Probably the Madharaha, you can give it in the bracket because Madharaha becomes Madharaha and then this thing. But that Madharaha only should be written there. Chitra Mahodaya.
Samrad hasati. Samradhasati.
Samradhasati. Samradhasati. The d also you have to, one has to hear the d also. When Alpa Prana or Mahaprana both are coming side by side, you must pronounce them. Because especially when you're chanting some shlokas, you should know that. That is why I'm insisting on that. See,
Yeah.
Samradhasati, 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 Samradhasati. In the place of ha, the dha has come.
Mahodaya, yeah, then it will also become Samrat Hasati. Takara will also become, no? After that, Samrat Hasati happens. The actual word
that you don't have to give, but here why I said was, here the option is Madharaha only. That you need not give. But here, that Madharaha only. These two you give. Madharaha can become Madharaha or Madharaha. There you don't have to go further for this. Sandhim karotu. Astuva? But here only I said that Madharaha should have been written. Suppose they had written Samrat Hasati here and Samrat Dhasati here, I would have said here Samrat should be written. Okay? Only here. Here they've written Asmad Hitaya, but here why that Madhar has written. That is why I said that Madhar should be written. Then Abhi Aphrudha, who's?
No sound.
Abradaha.
So,
Really
Abradaha. Here also they should have given that ab. That bakara should have been given. See, if Aphridaha becomes just twa, only that gives rise to this. So Aphridaha does not give rise to this Abradaha. So for this, the starting word is ab. So that only you have to give. That you have to give. So you can't write Aphridaha. When you write like this slash, you can't write this Aphridaha. You have to write ab. Understood what I'm saying? You got it, the point, no? Ab Kradaha. So, ab Bradaha, ab Kradaha. Kradaha, ab Kradaha, not Kra. Ab Bradaha, ab Kradaha. That here it has to be Bakara, not Pakara. And Bina Mahodaya.
Aj plus hello. Ach has become aj.
No. See, now you've got this. You don't have to go back to what it was before. Okay, if it was up, you have to. Even then, you didn't.
Okay,
so you have to think that up has become up, and then finally you get this. Okay. You want the final product.
Yeah, so it's already Tritiya Varna. So it become the fourth one.
So it is already, that condition is fulfilled for this thing. So you just have to do Ajjalo. Ajjalo. Now see, the same word. Atra Hradau. Chitra.
Ab Hradau.
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 Abhradau. Abhradau. Astu va? Sushila Mahodaya.
Vaghinaha. Then that will become Vaghinaha. Then Vaghinaha. Vaghinaha. So this
Alpa prana
Yeah, they
gakara,
have done it
maha
twice.
prana gakara. So both you have to. Only that you have to be careful.
Ajhalau. Ajhalau na abhridau. That very carefully.
Next one, Veena Mahodaya.
Prag plus hasitva. Prag hasitva.
Okay. किमपि अस्ति वा?
आम् महोदय।
चित्रा भवती वदतु।
षड् हर्म्याणि षड्
षड्धर्म्य
धर्म्याणि षड्.
Got it? I can't see. You got it, no? Sandhi vichedam karotu.
Mahodaya, for that Google file also.
Yes, sir, Mahodaya. I'll tell you afterwards. I also opened. I could not get. I'll tell you after the class.
Which one?
I will tell you after the class. After the class.
Okay.
Sandhi vichedam karotu.
Sushila Mahodaya bhakti vadu.
Sandhi vichedam karotu. So tad hi tat hi.
Tadhi. You can write tadhi first and then tadhi. It's okay. So this is the starting point. This is the middle point. This is the final. So you can write this as first. It's okay as long as you have understood. Okay. Tadhi is this is tadhi and then tathi. See, when you are going from here, I mean, that is how my logic goes. You get my point.
Yes.
Okay. So when you go like that, tadhi will first become tadhi and then it will become tathi. So you can write this here. It is okay as long as you understood. Veena Mahodaya.
Tadhetukam. Tat hetukam.
What are both the options you give?
Tat hetukam or tad hetukam.
Tad hetukam, tat hetukam.
Tat hetukam.
Chitra Mahodaya.
Sukrut drishtaha. Sukrut drishtaha. Sukrut Hrishtaha.
Hrishtaha.
And
Sukrut? Actually, that Sukrut, it's a Dakaranta word only.
Oh, I see.
That word itself is Dakaranta. Sukrut.
Sukrut, no. Sukrut is good. Sukrut, Tamil name Sukrut. Or Malayalam.
Sukrut is friend. Sukrut is friend. Sukrut is friend.
Okay.
Sukrut Hrishtaha. Dakaranta only.
Okay.
Sushila Mahodaya.
Gachat.
You pronounce it correct. Gachadhunaha. Gachadhunaha.
Then it will become Gachat Unaha.
Hunaha. Gachad Hunaha. Gachat Hunaha.
What does this mean?
I do not know.
What does Hunaha mean?
Gachat means going. Hunaha, we have to find out what is the. It's a type of horse, I believe.
Okay.
So the horse, a horse that is going, that gachat iti shatru pratyaya. Gachat. Gachan, gachantau, gachantaha. Gachat is the Pratipadikam, no? Shatrupratiyam we have studied, no? First. Gachati, gachat. Gachat, kunaha means a going horse. A horse that is going. Chalne wala goda. In Hindi, if you say, no? Chalne wala goda. Nadakara kudre. A walking horse. Oh, that is what it means. Okay.
Yeah. Abhrasaha is ab plus hrasaha or up plus hrasa.
But why the up is not there? That ab means up. It is water. So hrasaha. We have. I'll see. Sound, noise, it says. Decrease, abhrasa, diminution, deterioration. The water becoming less or something like that. So that up also should be there. Because that up becomes ab and then up becomes abhrasa.
My chance?
Chitra Mahodi.
Brajad Hiranyam.
Brajad Hiranyam, Brajat Hiranyam. That Braj, here also that Brajat is Satrapratyam. Hiranyam. Chishila Mahodi.
Davad Harinaha, Harinaha.
Davad Harin. You only get running, walking horse and running deer, everything. Sushila Mahode only gets. Davad Harinaha means running deer. Davat. See, the minute you see this, you should be able to recognize the Satru Pratyaya word. By now you must be getting familiar with that, right? Kimapi asti va atra? Veena Mahode.
Satru is Davat becomes Napusakalinga, that means. Okay.
Harinaha Napumsakalingam, no? No, Pullinga it is. Pullinga it is. Napumsakalinga also. See, Davat is the... Davat is the...
Pratipadikam. Davan, it will become Davan Harinaha, right? Akara will come, right? Davan Harinaha.
No, Davat Harinaha is then Gachan, Davat. Then it becomes the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. The running horse. Davat Davantau Davantaha. Gachan Gachantau Gachantaha. Gachan is the Pratipadikam, but Davat is the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Napumsakalingam also is Davat only, but Bahuvachanam changes. Bahuvachanam changes. Davataha it becomes, but Pullinge Davantaha it becomes. What is there next?
Next one is Saddhetuhu.
Davat. It's not
what?
Like that. Davat will become, Pratipadikam is Davat. Shatru is
Pratipadikam is Davan.
Dhavan, it has to be Dhavan Harinaha, then it is Shatru.
That only. Okay.
But Davat is the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So, Davat Harinaha.
If it is Davat means Napumsakalingam.
See, Davat Harinaha, Davantam Harinau, Davata Harinena, Davataha Harinaya, like that, all the Bhaktis comes, no? Davat Harinaha. It is used like as an adjective So Haranaha Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So Davat is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Davan is the Pratipadikam. Kachan, Davan, Patan, Patan Balakaha.
Then that is Patan,
Then,
Davan is Shatru, right?
Shatru, that is, it's what I've been telling you, no, from the beginning. You must be able to recognize what the word is. Bina Mahadev, kimapi asti va tatra?
Yeah, Sadhetuhu is there. Sat plus Hetuhu, which becomes Sadhetuhu and Sadhetuhu.
Okay. Itopi asti va? Now,
One more is there.
Chitra Mahadev.
Shaddaraha.
Vadatu.
Shaddaraha.
Sandhi Vichedam karotu. Sha. Haraha it is.
Haraha.
Atra shash iti dattamasti va? Shat iti dattamasti va?
Shad.
Only one.
Shat. Yeah. No. Shat. Haraha.
Shat.
Haraha.
Oh, Shat. Alpa prana, Takara. Shat. Okay. This is, we will not do the sloka. We'll go to the next Sandhi. See, I want to finish that all Sandhi part. Drishyate na? Atra pashyatu. This is actually Patatu.
Sallayaha is Parasavarna Sandhi, no? Sallayaha.
No. This is 1 minute. Yeah, it is Parasavarna Sandhi.
It's Purna Savarna Sandhi, right?
No, Parasavarna Sandhi. Sallayaha Parasavarna Sandhi.
Tadlaya.
That the third rule something will come.
We did that. Have we done that?
Yeah,
No.
Actually, this is a part of that which is called Thorli. So here, what is the name given there? What is the name they've written?
No name is given.
No name they've given.
Koshtakam.
Ekanimisham. See, this is Parasavarna Sandhi. This is called Thorli. So this is called Latva Sandhi. Latva Sandhi. Atra pashitu. Nema Tavarga. Tavarga has to be there. Followed by La. And you get Lakara. Tatra. Tatra Linaha. Tallinaha. Tatlinaha. Tadlayaha.
Mahodaya, can you just zoom it a bit? We can't see at all.
I don't know how to zoom it.
I think you have to go on to the place where the alphabets are given there. Where you have to you add the number to increase the number there.
I do not know. So anyway, I will just read it. You look at the slide. The slide is quite clear.
See, you can do You make it like this screen.
No, not in my computer. It doesn't happen in
Not,
the computer.
it doesn't happen in the computer. If I do something, then everything will go away. Then I won't. So I will read. So this is also called Latva Sandhi. So Nema Tavarga. Tavarga followed by Lakara. Tat Leenaha becomes Talleenaha. Tadlayaha. Tallayaha. Jagat Layaha. Jagallayaha. So everywhere the Paravarna is Lakara. Purvarna is Takar, the Tavarga. So that is why it is called Torli. To is Tu. Tu is called, Tavarga is called Tu, isn't it? Ku, chu, tu, tu, pu. We know. That means that Varga is. So, Tor means, Tu is Ukaranta. Tor means, Tasya Shashti Ekavachanam. The Tor of the Tor, it becomes Li. So that is called, this is called Torli. Astuva? So, Toho Li Bhavati. La Bhavati. Li iti Lakaraha. Toho Lakaraha Bhavati iti Artha. Understood?
It's the full of ta varga or only for ta?
Tavarga.
Tavarga, all the five.
Okay.
So, Ullasaha, Jaganlakshanaha, Vellasatla. So this you will be able to read it.
Now it's become big here.
Niyama 2 is Nakara plus Lakara becomes, because Nakara is that Anunasika. So you get the Anunasika Lakara.
Okay.
You understood? Ta, ta, da, dha. You get the Lakara only. Parantu, when it is Nakara followed by La, you get the Anunasika. Because this is Anunasika, the Adesha also becomes Anunasika Lakara. Understood? This is the Anunasika Lakara. You have to write like that.
Chandra Bindu.
Vidwan Likati. Vidwan Likati. See, especially while reading the shlokas and the Rudram and chanting this thing, you have to say this. So, Gunavan Luntita, Dhiman Likati. Because this is Anunasika, so the Adesha will be the Anunasika Lakara. Hasan Likati, Kadan Lasati, like that. So this is called Torli. Yada Tavargiya Vyanjanat Lakaraha Paraha Bhavati Tada Tavargiya Vyanjanasya Sthane Lakaraha Adeshaha Bhavati. Yada Nakarat Lakaraha Paraha Bhavati Tada Nakarasya Sthane Anunasika Lakaraha Adeshaha Bhavati. Very simple. Torli. You remember, Tor means two. Two refers to the Tavarga. Tor means the Shashti Ekavachanam of that. Toho Li Bhavati. The To is Toho Li Bhavati. Toho Sthane Li Adeshaha Bhavati. Astu va? Tavargiya Vyanjanat Lakaraha Paravavati. So, Purvarna is Tavarga. Paravarna is Lakara. That is one rule. Second rule is, for Nakara, you get the Anunasika Lakara. Nakara being the Anunasika Tavargiya letter, you get the Adesha become the Anunasika Lakara. Atra Pashyitu Koshtakam. Purvarnaha Ta Tha Dha Dha Paravarnaha Lakaraha Adeshaha La. Purvarnaha Na Paravarnaha Akaraha Adeshaha Anunasika Lakaraha. Tallayaha Vidwan Likati. Got it? So this is Torli. This is the, I don't think, this is a slide which I had uploaded. I didn't make any examples, but in the first one, lot of examples are given. Okay? So any of the Tavargiya letters, Huh?
Mahoday,
Only
can you please, the many words you gave now, can you please show me that before slide?
See, this is only for the nakara, but the other one, we are not able to read, you said, no? But you look at the slide. The slide is uploaded. The slide number is 31 or something. I'll write it in the thing.
Okay.
And I will, you can go to the thing. I've uploaded there. Long back I had put it. Huh? But all these examples have got only the first the. I don't, the. There are not examples.
There's one
but at
with
least
pad.
You know.
Pad plus love. Lavaha, pad lavaha. One example is there.
It's there. Pad lava. Yes. Good. Oh.
And tad plus layaha, tallayaha.
Tadlaya. Two are there. But thakara and dhakara, the Mahaprana takara and the Mahaprana dhakara, it's not there. Okay, probably. I mean, if we try, look for letters, probably we may get. I'm not able to give right now. Okay? Ardha. Adha. Probably I can look right now. I'm not able to. But you got them. This thing. You got the idea. Torli, if you remember, toho stane lakaraha agachati. And anunasika tavargasya stane anunasika lakaraha agachati. Simple. Okay? That is the way it is. Okay? So that ends with this slide. Probably now we've got another 10-12 minutes. Now I can go back to one of the earlier slides and I will...
slide number 13 is not able to open, Mahoday.
Which one?
Slide number 39.
This is 31 or 39?
This is 31, I think.
Okay.
Why are you going? This is 30... This is... this is 33. 33, this is. Not able to open?
Not able to open.
Let me also.
(31, 30) and all you are able to open?
That's why I'm trying, Mahoday. (30) also not able to open.
From where are you trying?
Google Drive. Class, our B2 class, Varga.
Right, B2 slides.
Not able to open.
No, it is opening, so I think.
Huh?
I think so. Let me see. 31 you wanted, no?
Okay, you all try. Let me know. Anyway, what I'll do is I will try to do. We have another 10 to 12 minutes. I can try to do the.
It's opening. It's opening. 31 is opening.
See, this sloka will do. One of you read.
Is it whose chance is it?
Whoever it is, any of you, one of you read, please. Sushila Mahoday.
Can you read? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Na vikampitu marhasi. Dharma dharmyati yuddha यत् क्षत्रियस्य न विद्यते.
Did we do this? Did we do this sloka? No, no.
No,
I
we have
don't
not
think.
done this.
Okay.
No, this
Okay,
is, I
you
think,
try
for
to Sandhi Vichedam karodu.
Swadharmah.
Swadharmam.
Swadharmam api
Hmm.
cha avekshya
Hmm.
na vikampitum arhasi. Dharmat hi.
Dharmyad hi.
Dharmyat hi. Yuddhat. It is sakarana. Shreyot. Shreyonyat.
Shreyo. Shreyah anyat. Kshatriyasya na vidyate. So this is, it is having the sandhi we studied. No?
Chatva sandhi.
Chatva sandhi, then
and also this
dharmyadhi, that is also parasavarna sandhi.
Yeah,
that is also there. No? Padachedah. Padatu. Sushila Mahoday.
Swadharmam api cha avekshya na vikampitum arhasi dharmyat hi yuddhat shreyah anyat kshatriyasya na vidyate.
Anvaya api padatu.
Anvaya. Swadharma cha avekshya api vikampitum na arhasi kshatriyasya hi dharmat yuddhat anyat shreyah na vidyate.
Vidyate. Then what is given?
Tatparyam. Swadharmah chintyate chet api swaya na bhedavyam. Bhetavyam. Yatah kshatriyasya dharmayuddham vihaya kimapi anyat karyam श्रेयस्करं न अतः श्रेयोभिलाषिणा त्वया युद्धम् अवश्यं कर्तव्यम्. श्रेयोभिलाषिणा त्वया युद्धम् अवश्यं कर्तव्यम्. This is that there is no point in doing some paradharma even if it is a bad dharma. You have to do each one. The dharma, your what is ordained for your this thing you have to do. For a kshatriya, that fighting, he has to take the weapon, so and fight. So there is nothing more greater than that. So you better stick to your dharma. Veena Mahoday bhavati patatu.
Subhashitam. Satyam tapo gnanam ahimsata gnanam ahimsatam cha vidvat pranamam cha sushiratam cha etani yo dharayate sa vidwan na tatra shastradhyayanam hi karanam. Satyam tapah gnanam ahimsatam cha vidvat pranamam cha sushiratam cha etani yaha dharayate saha vidwan na tatra shastradhyayanam hi karanam.
So it describes who a vidwan is. Okay. Saha vidwan. And let us look at the samanya artha.
Samanya yaha ritam tapasyam vidyam parapidanasya tyagam sadacharam acharati saha eva gnani bhavati na tu kevalam grantha gnanam hi hetuhu.
So a jnani is a person who follows all this in practical this thing. So just by reading Shastra Adhyayanat Jnani na bhavati. So let us look at it. Pada Vichedaha. पठतु भवती कृतवती परन्तु पठतु सत्यं
सत्यं तपः ज्ञानं विसर्गसन्धिः उत्वं that's how tapah becomes tapo then ahimsatam cha vidvat pranamam cha sushilatam
all the anuswara sandhi
anuswara sandhi the next line is not there
etani
Next page.
etani yah dharayate that's also visarga sandhi utvam saha vidwan visarga sandhi lopah na tatra शास्त्राध्ययनम is savarna dirgha sandhi hi karanam
चित्रा महोदय भवती पठतु
व्याकरणशास्त्राः सत्यम् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग द्वितीया एकवचनं तपः सकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्ग तपस् तपस् शब्दः द्वितीया एकवचनं ज्ञानं विद्वत् प्रणामम् अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्ग द्वितीया एकवचनम् अहिंसतां सुशीलताम् आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः द्वितीया एकवचनं च न तत्र हि अव्ययम् एतानि सकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्ग एतत् द्वितीया बहुवचनं यः सः सकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः प्रथमा एकवचनं धारयते दृ धातु आकारान्त लट् आत्मनेपदी लट् लकार प्रथमा एकवचनं
प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनं see when you say pratama it refers to vibhakti prathama purusha refers to lakara so you have to be careful
विद्वान् सकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः विद्वत् प्रथमा एकवचनं शास्त्राध्ययनं कारणम् अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्ग प्रथमा एकवचनं प्रतिपदार्थः सत्यं ऋतं तपः तपस्या ज्ञानं विद्या अहिंसतां परिपीडनस्य
actually अत्र ज्ञानम् इति ओके ज्ञानं विद्या अहिंसतां
परिपीडनस्य त्यागं विद्वत् प्रणामं ज्ञानिनां पुरतः विनम्रता शीलतां सदाचारं
तथैव
there's one more
इतोपि अस्ति किल पठतु
आचरणे स्थापयति विद्वान् प्राज्ञः पण्डितः
अनन्तरं शास्त्राध्ययनं किम् अस्ति शास्त्राध्ययनम् अस्ति न प्राज्ञः पण्डितः अनन्तरं किम् अस्ति तत्र न तत्र
विद्वत्ते शास्त्राध्ययनं ग्रन्थनं कारणं हेतुः
सुशीला महोदय भवती पठतु
अन्वयः सः एव विद्वान् अस्ति यः सत्यं तपः ज्ञानम् अहिंसतां विद्वत् प्रणामं सुशीलताम् एतानि व धारयते तत्र शास्त्राध्ययनं इ कारणं न अस्ति। तात्पर्यं केवलं ग्रन्थान् अधीत्य नरः ज्ञानी न भवति। सदाचाराणाम् अनुसरेण एव मनुष्यः विद्वान् भवति। यः सत्यं तपस्या ज्ञानं परपीडनस्य त्यागः ज्ञानिनां विषये विनम्रता सदाचारः एतान् सद्गुणान् व्यवहारे स्थापयति। Some more is there, Mahodaya, you have to give.
एकनिमिषं दृश्यते वा?
ज्ञानी भवति।
सारी
विद्वत्वे ग्रन्थपठनमात्रं हेतु न।
Okay. So we will, sort of, you understood it, no? So we will finish the class. Next week I'll see. Meanwhile, you look at all the slides and tell me if you are able to access all the slides. Okay?
Okay.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ।